Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. It's blow bend week, so I've got a brilliant exercise that's going to help you master those pesky bends at the top end of the harmonica. Stick around. So it's blow bend week. This is the first lesson of 3 this week. I'm going to put another one up tomorrow and then another one the following day. So today we've got exercise 1. I'm on a G harmonica. Most of my lessons are on a C harmonica, but with blow bends, they really sound best, I think, on the lower key harmonicas. They really can get quite shrill on the higher key harmonicas. That said, some people are really, really good at them. If you listen to Mitch Kashmar, for example, he just makes them sound so sweet and beautiful. And that's what we're aiming for. So it's something that is underused in a way on the harmonica, and they can be really, really nice. So this exercise is going to help you get started on those. If you've never tried a blow bend, go to my website LearnTheHarmonica.com and look at my lessons on blow bends. But this today is really for people just looking for an exercise to use their blow bend technique. So it goes something like this. So it's a triplet exercise. We've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it ascends and then it descends. So we start with an 8 blow bend. Remember, there's only a semitone, a half step, that 8 blow will go down. It might go a little bit flat of that, which is why you want to use a tuner to check that you are in tune, but it won't go a tone or a tone and a half or anything. So 8 blow bend, and then 8 blow natural note, and then 9 blow. That's our first triplet, and we can really just think of this as 2 sets of triplets. So that's our first set. The second set of triplets, we've got 8 blow, and then 8 blow bend, and then 7 blow. So we're going up and then back down, and I'm seeing it almost as like, I don't know, what shape's that? Well, like, whatever it is. Do da dee da da da, do da dee da da da. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And you'd want to play this nice and slow to begin with. There's no point playing it fast if you can't play it slow. And really, there's no point playing it fast unless you can play it really in tune. So you'd grab your tuner, or you'd get another instrument and check whether you're getting that bend on 8. And you'll notice there's only the 8 blow bend in this exercise. So it's really just that note that we want to really get in tune. Triplets always sound cool really fast. It's the same on the draw bends, which we've looked at before, and on the blow bends, diddle 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 diddle, start to sound really cool fast. But you want to practice it with a metronome if you're going to speed it up to that speed. Now, if you have done my exercises on draw bends, you may have found that a lot of draw notes means you get too much air in your lungs and you have to think about your breath patterns and how to maintain your breath. You might have the opposite problem with these blow bend exercises because we're doing all blow notes, at least with this exercise we are. If you're running out of breath really quickly, I highly recommend checking my lesson on keeping your breath whilst playing the harmonica, because it's most likely that it's to do with your breath control or lack thereof that's stopping you from doing it. So that's exercise 1 in blow bend week. It's going to give you some really good practice on that 8 blow bend. I'm going to be back tomorrow with exercise 2, so I hope to see you then. Please click like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. Until I see you tomorrow, enjoy your practice, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.